students, let's begin today's topics, that is linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation in one variable. Before that, what do you mean by equation and expression? You know expression and equations. What is the difference between this equation and the expression? Expression means that is a statement that means we write 2x minus 3. This is an expression. Is this an equation? No, because an equation contains this equal signs. Equation contains equal signs, but expression, no need. Expression does not contain any equal sign. That means only it is 2x minus 3, simply. Or 5x. This is an expression in one variable. Here only one variable is there. 2x minus 3 is the variable is x. Then 5x is the variable is x. Expression in one variable, or expressions are there in two variables. So y square plus x. Y square plus x. This is also an expression containing two variables, and here the degree of the expression is 2. Degree means this power is 2. Then, one example, the same we can write as 2x minus 3 equal to 6. Equal to 6. This is an equation. It contains left side and the right side. The equation contains left side and the right side. Then it must be an equal sign. There must be an equal sign is there. Then what is equations? Equations, this is also an equation. Y square plus x plus 0. An equal sign is there. This is also an equations. An equations containing an equal sign and expression. There is no equal sign in this expression. Equations, but you now understand, an equal sign is there and variable is there. Okay, then what do you mean by the linear? Linear expression is there, linear equation is there. Linear expression and linear equation. What do you mean by this linear? Linear means, is this a linear equation? Expression. This is a linear expression. Also, this is also a linear expression. But this last one is not linear expression. That means, linear expressions means this variable. Here the variable is x. And the degree of this variable is, here it is 1. Here also degree is 1. But here the variable's degree is 2. Okay, the place here it is y. Y square plus y. The degree is 2. Okay. Therefore, the degree of that variable is 1. Then it is linear expression. Linear expression means a variable having degree 1. Then it is a linear expression. Same linear equation. That means this is a linear equation. Here the degree of x is 1. Degree of the variable is 1. Then it is a linear equation. Okay. 2x square plus 3x equal to 6. This is not a linear equation because here the degree is 2. Degree of this variable is 1, then it is a linear equation. Linear equation means, just remember, the variable having degree 1, that is linear equation. And linear equation in one variable means that equation contains only one variable, this one. This is a linear equation. This equation containing only one variable, that is x, and the degree of x is 1. This is a linear equation in one variable. Solution of this equation. Solution means this is a linear equation is containing one variable and the power or degree is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation. And how will you find the value of x? 2x is equal to what? 6. Here it is subtraction. Therefore, left side we have to add it. 6 plus 3. That is 2x is equal to 8. Or x is equal to 8. 2 is multiplied here. Therefore, right side we have to divide it. X is equal to 4. This x is equal to 4 is the solution of this equation. Solutions means the value of this variable which satisfies this equation. Solution is what? Value of the variable x. Value of this variable. Here the variable is x. Therefore, value of the variable which satisfies these equations. that is solution. Okay. Solution means when we have to find the solution, we have to find the value of that variable in that equation, that is solution. To do the exercise, this is 2.1. First one is x minus 2 is equal to 7. We have to solve this equation, x minus 2 is equal to 7. That means we have to find the solution. That means we have to find the value of this variable x. Okay, first we have to find the x. Therefore, just keep this x in this left side. Left side is this one, x minus 2, and right side it is 7. Then moves all the other constants to the right side. You have to find the value of this variable. Therefore, just keep this x in the left side and moves all the constants to the right side. First, we have to move this minus 2. Here it is minus 2. Minus 2 to the right side. First step is transpose minus 2 to right side, RHS. Okay. Then x is there. The remaining x is there. X is equal to. Then 7 already is there on the right side. 7, and we are transposing minus 2 to the right side. Therefore, in the right side it will become plus 2. We are transposing minus 2. Minus 2. 2 is subtracted here on the left side. Therefore, on the right side we have to add it. So, for x is equal to 9. This is the value of x. Here we just substitute it and find it. So, equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7 and x value is 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. We can check this one value. For first step, we have to transfer all the constants to the right side and keep this variable in the left side. Okay, here only one constant is there, that is minus 2. Therefore, we have to transpose this minus to the right side. Then when we are transposing to the left to right side, the minus 2 will become plus 2. Therefore, that is 7 is there already. Then minus 2 transported, that is plus 2. X is equal to 7 plus 2, x is equal to 9. That is the solution of this equation. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Here the variable is y. We have to find the value of this y. Then constant is this one. Here it is plus 3 is the constant. Then move this plus 3 to the right side. Okay. Transpose this plus 3 to right side. Then it will become negative. Okay. Left side only y is there, y equal to right side, what is there, already 10 is there, you have to write first that one. Then transpose plus 3 to right side. Then it will become minus 3. Okay, y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7 is the value of y. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. And 6 is equal to z plus 2. Z is the variable. Z plus 2. First we can arrange this one. This one we are right in the left side. There is no problem. It is easy for transposing. That's where. On the right side we can write the constant and left side just arrange this equation. Okay. Then Z is the variable. Just then transpose. First you have to transpose this plus 2 to right side. Then Z is equal to 6. Plus 2 will become minus 2. Z is equal to 4. You can check this also. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, Z value is 4. The next is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Okay, first we have to keep this x here and transpose 3 by 7. This is a fraction. Therefore, 3 by 7 you can transpose to right side. This is plus 3 by 7. Therefore, left right side it will become minus 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Okay. Then here denominators are same. Therefore, we can subtract the numerators. 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7. Then 14 by 7 means we have to divide, that is x value is 2. X is equal to 2. If 6x is equal to 12. Here the left side it has 6 is multiplied with the x. Okay, x is the variable. Then we have to transpose 6 to the right side. 6 is positive, 6 to right side. In this case 6 is multiplied with that x. Therefore on the right side we have to divide with the 6. X is equal to 12 is there. Then transpose 6 means 6 is multiplied. Therefore right side 6 we have to divide by 12. Then 12 by 6 is 2. X is equal to 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Then 620 upon 5 is equal to 10. 5 is divided with t. First you have to transpose 5 to right side. Then 5 is divided in the left side, therefore on the right side we have to multiply it with 10. 10 into 5. Therefore t is equal to 50. Next, 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Here multiplication is there and division is there. Both are there in this one question. For both you have to, first you have to transpose 3 to right side. That means 2x is equal to 18. 3 is divided, therefore right side you have to multiply. Then that is 2x is equal to 18 into 3. 54. 54. Then 2x is equal to 54. Then we have to transpose 2 to the right side. Transpose 2 to the right side. Let's start here. 2 is multiplied here. 2x is equal to 54. This equation. 2 is multiplied here. We have to transfer this 2 to the right side. Then in the left side, right side it will become division. Here it is multiplied. Therefore right side you have to divide it with 2. 54 is divided with 2. That is x is equal to, what is that? 54 divided with 2. 4. Then 1, 4, 7, 14. 27. X is equal to 27. Then moving on to the next question. Straight one. 1.6 is equal to y by 1.5. 4 decimal is there. Then I just write like this, y by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. Then transpose 1.5 to right side. That means y is equal to 1.5 is divided there, therefore we have to multiply it with 1.6. 24 something will the answer. 24. Y is equal to 24 is the answer. So 7x minus 9 is equal to 60. In this one, here 7 is multiplied with x and also subtraction is there. Multiplication and subtraction. So first we can move this minus 9 to the right side. Transpose minus 9 to right side. First you have to solve the addition and the subtraction, then come to multiplication and division. Okay. That is 7x is equal to 16 minus 9, then right side it will become 16 plus 9. Then 7x is equal to 25. Then next is transpose this 7 to right side. That is x is equal to 25. Then this one is multiplied. 7 is multiplied. Therefore, here we have to divide 25 by 7. So this is the last question of today's. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Then first we have to transpose minus 8 to right side. That is 14y is equal to 30 plus 8. This 14y is equal to 21. Then next is transpose 14 to right side. Left side is multiplied, therefore on the right side we have to divide it with 21. 21 upon 40. Let's divide both by 7. 7 3s are and 7 2s are. Y is equal to 3 by 2. The value of y is 3 upon 2.